Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips in Bill Gates. Show me the money. Yeah, let's go.
World's second richest man, Bill Gates. Okay, so here I have huge respect for them. There's no denying of the fact that Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is definitely making huge positive changes. Let's focus on his drawing. First of all, start making this border. Okay, there's not really a clean border because, well, with all due respect, he's aged. So you make this part first and then draw his glasses. Yes, the glasses. The glasses will give a very good reference point. And then you make the lower part of the drawing, which is just a suit. It's simple. So I'm not even gonna focus on this one. For his face, once you got the eyes right, the nose, and his very faint lips, then you may start drawing his hair. Now, for the trick is that he has all these freckles. You know, as you grow older, your skin tends to get more full of wrinkles and stuff. So you can see there are barely wrinkles around the eyes. The shading of the glass, keep it at the end, but the border of the glass, make it first, so that it will give you a very good reference point right off the bat. That was my take on quick drawing tips for Bill Gates. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Salute to you. Put your thoughts in the comments. Likes, dislikes, just write something. Alright, yeah, I hate that jacket. Yeah. Yeah, right, I hate that jacket of yours. Okay, at least it will make my day.